Alright, yo, so I've been really hyped on trying some different types of FPV lately, and mainly that includes flying more in the city, like urban flying with smaller drones, like little tiny drones. So I'm gonna give that a bit more of a go. And I've been staking out buildings and stuff like that, places where I want to just like fly down in London. So I'm gonna hunt some places and do that today. Check this out. There's this perfect seat here, and then there's this nice building here, which is a good introductory size building, I reckon, that I can use to build up to some taller buildings in London, because there's some good ones here. Wow. Oh my god, it's so high. This is scary as. Oh my god, dude, what? Oh, my heart just dropped when I went down there just then. Holy crap, dude. One more try. Whoa. That is nuts, man. Oh, my whole body is like shaking, dude. What the heck? This is so much scarier than I thought. Like, it feels like you're up there yourself. Literally, it feels like you're up there yourself. I didn't even think this one was that high, like. Oh, I almost got to do some more, huh? Check it out up here. Check it out. Bit windy up here. It comes down so quickly. It's almost like you need to go higher so it comes down slower. Oh god, it makes me kind of sick to the stomach, man. Literally. Just want to dive and just stay super close to the building, you know? That was cool. Land, we're gonna land right here. What is it? Huh? You gonna give that back? Hey? You gonna give it back? That was high, man. That's like the highest I've ever been on a drone. I'm gonna get out of this place before I get in trouble and go somewhere else. Oh shit, like literally it's so scary. Oh, 3 is so damn good, huh? Wee-hoo. Oh, whoa. To disarm it, press crash flip. How do you work it? Oh, there we go. Sick. It's the first time I've done that. Whoopsie. There we go. Armed again. And she's off. I love that. It's so hard to power loop this drone. So underpowered. That was cool. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, okay. We're even recording. Yes, we are. Have a little look about. Oh, that did not turn out well. Try to find it.